In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Feather Client. First, you need to open Google Chrome. So I opened Google Chrome here and type in Feather Client. Go to this website, go down and click download. And then you're gonna wait for this download to finish. Open the installer and you're gonna follow through the installation process here. So here's gonna after it finishes installing, as you can see, it's that easy. The client will launch on its own, and just wait for this. Okay, this is the client. As you can see, like after it finishes installing, it will launch like this. And inside this client, you will be able to manage your mods. You will be able to browse mods and whatever you want. You can also change the game versions if you want. And you're obviously gonna need to sign into your Minecraft account. And yeah, and that's how you install Feather Client. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.